Hey everybody,
Hey.
Jeff and Teresa, and we just want to say hi to you, and we're just excited to let you know that today is the 35th anniversary of our first date. Yay!
Yay.
So there's a couple of things. If you go to our website, there's a lot of free resources, free downloads of 20 fun date ideas, 100 conversation starters, a 90-day couple Bible study. But we also have this on Amazon. It's You're Not Losing Love, You're Losing Time. Please take advantage of it. It's also available on Kindle.
Yes,
But today,
Kindle version.
as honor of our anniversary of our first date, we have one of our first devotionals. It's 30 Days to Rebuild Your Friendship. And this is also available on Amazon. Now, it won't be available on Kindle because we want you to write in it. It's 30 days of scriptures and discussion questions and probing questions and ways for you to just explore your relationship, and in 30 days you will rebuild your friendship.
Yes,
Available
yes.
today on Amazon.
It is.
It is.
Yes.
30 days to rebuild your friendship. Well, we love you. So 35 years ago today, we went to on our first date, we went to Napoli's on Vineville Avenue in Macon, Georgia. That's not there anymore, but so now we're in Texas. So we're going to go to Pasta Fina in Cleburne, Texas, and it's really good. So we're going to celebrate the 35th anniversary of our first date. Let us know, how long have you been together, and where did you go to on your first date? Where did you go? Yeah. And hey, we love you. We hope to hear from you. There'll be links to everything I said below in the comments, and we'll see you there.